If I only had 6 months to train for Hyrox, this is the exact blueprint I'd follow. Step number 1, you're gonna break your phases into 3 phases. Phase 1 is gonna be months 1 through 3. And within this time period, we wanna prioritize lifting heavier, building a foundation with power and strength. Specifically, we wanna focus on going heavier with our compound movements. Think squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows. We wanna aim for anywhere between 3 to 4 sets for 4 to 6 reps. And your effort should be around an 8 out of 10 effort, meaning we're gonna be leaving around 2 reps left in the tank. Now, with your running in this phase, we wanna make sure that runs are at an easy conversational pace, AKA zone 2. The focus should be on building mileage and building your aerobic base. Phase 2, we are month 4 to 5 into our training. During this time, we wanna split our runs between 2 easy runs and 1 interval run per week. Then once or twice a week, we want to do something called station simulation round, 1 to 2 times per week. For example, you could hit your station of wall balls, farmer's carry, ski erg, rower, and then immediately you're gonna pair that with a 1 kilometer run at race pace. This station into a 1 kilometer run, you're gonna be doing this 3 to 4 rounds. We also wanna make sure we're still strength training twice a week, but instead of an 8 out of 10 effort, we're gonna scale down to a 6 to 7 out of 10 effort. Phase 3 is gonna be the month of our Hyrox race. This is gonna be our taper phase, meaning we wanna cut our work in half. For example, instead of 4 sets, you're gonna be doing 2 sets of squats in the gym. Instead of running 5 miles, you're gonna be running 2 to 3 miles instead. The last thing we're gonna talk about is what you should do on race week. Let's say your race is this Saturday. So on Monday, you're gonna do a 20-minute primer workout. Here's an example of what that would look like. On Tuesday, you're just going to do some stretching and some mobility for anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. On Wednesday, which is day 3, you're gonna be doing a 20-minute run at an easy zone 2 pace, and then 2 400 meters at race pace. On Thursday, complete rest day. And then Friday, 1 day out. You're gonna start with some warm up and mobility, and you're gonna do a shakeout jog at zone 2 easy pace. 10 to 15 minutes of that. After your shakeout jog, you're gonna end with 3 50-meter strides. If you follow all these 3 phases, you'll be ready for race day.